Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. This prevents wasted work later. First, power off both devices, then reset the cable, HDMI or display port, to ensure a solid connection. Once done, power on and set the display to its native resolution, for example 1920 x 1080, at 100% scaling so pixels map correctly. Make sure the monitor input matches the cable used. These steps immediately. Next, you move into System Settings and the GPU control panel to fix mismatches. Open Display Settings and explicitly select the problematic monitor, then confirm the native resolution and refresh rate, such as 60 Hz. In your Graphics Control panel, set scaling to maintain display scaling or full screen and disable overrides that force desktop resizing. If the issue began after a driver update, update to the latest or roll back to the previous stable driver. This addresses driver-induced scaling quirks. To finish, apply all changes and restart both the PC and monitor so settings fully take effect. If the image still isn't full screen, perform a factory reset on the monitor and swap the cable or port to rule out hardware faults. Make sure your OS is up to date. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to determine whether a background app or driver is causing scaling conflicts. This helps isolate software versus hardware causes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.